Poor people here who have dated rich people. What did you learn? How was the contrast? Dated the daughter of a wealthy member of parliament for my country's Conservative Party. During diner discussions at their home, it really hammered it home how little her mother, the MP, understood about the daily reality of being poor. Another one. The family was an entity in itself and had rules. Relationships are everything. The family itself is a thing. The club, the parties, the vacations, the homes, the cars, the business. It's all about the family, the patriarch, the traditions, the schools, the business partners, and the neighborhood and the club. It's not a bad thing. It's just different. I was raised to be independent and get the out of my parents' house. They stick together like glue. Everyone has a role to play, but they have security and they belong. I never belonged anywhere. I was raised by people who had kids because that's what you were supposed to do. And then I got the out of their house when I turned 18, and that was that.